Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change Ynab transaction. To change a transaction in Ynab, the first thing to do is to open the Ynab application, whether you are using a mobile device or a computer. Once you're inside the main homepage, make sure to log into your account. And once you're in, select the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. Once you open up your Accounts tab, find the transaction you'd like to change and tap on it. Once you open up a transaction, you can now edit your transaction and change your transaction according to your preference. This will now open up the transaction detail window where you can edit any field such as the pay, date, category, memo, outflow and inflow, and even the cleared status. Go ahead and make any kind of a change you'd like to make, and then once you are done with it, simply tap on save. So that is how you will be able to change Ynab transaction. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.